Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the sticker matches your plate and registration. This prevents future citations. Once confirmed, clean the exact spot with isopropyl alcohol, not soap, and dry completely. Dust or film prevents adhesion. Then, peel the backing slowly, exposing only one edge so the sticker does not fold or pick up lint. Align the top edge first. Place one corner gently so you can correct small shifts. This ensures a straight, secure start and minimizes air trapped under the sticker. You now focus on alignment and adhesion. Hold the sticker lightly at the edge and check landmarks, edge of windshield, defroster lines, or plate screw holes to ensure lawful placement. Once satisfied, press the center and smooth outward with a plastic squeegee or old credit card to expel air. This prevents bubbling and peeling. Make several firm, even passes, then hold steady pressure for 10 to 15 seconds to set the adhesive. This step locks the sticker in place for long-term durability. You finish by inspecting the sticker for bubbles, misalignment, or loose edges. If a tiny bubble persists, use a pin to make a minute hole and smooth outward. That releases trapped air without ruining adhesion. If the sticker is badly misapplied, remove and replace only if local rules allow. Some adhesives tolerate one repositioning. Finally, record the installation date and confirm the sticker is clearly visible from the driver's seat. This avoids citations and ensures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.